is your first litter. You ready? You ready to be a mother? Are you ready to be a mother? You better call your baby father, man, because he ain't gonna just be getting you pregnant and leaving me to take care of the babies. Even though I'm gonna take care of your babies, you better call him. That nigga better be kicking in some child support or something. Emma, you ready to be a mother? You ready to have these damn babies? It's about to get real busy around here. Man, don't look at me like that.